Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 night double flat door. This door is being featured with a rain glass. This door is oil rub bronze. It's 72 by 96 flat top. Cool door. It's got a kick plate on the bottom. It's got a short kick plate actually on the bottom. A lot of scroll work, a lot of heavy scroll work on it. People like this door because they feel safer, but I always have to remind customers that at the end of the day, this is, a thief sees an iron door, they're probably going to go to your neighbor's house or try to go to the back or something, because once they feel that it's metal, why would you even bother? I mean, you got to be pretty clueless to actually go through one of these things. But anyways, awesome door. It's got a little flower on it. It's got all these bands on it. It's got some straight bars. It's got some scroll work on it. Love it. I love this thing. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back end of it. Hello everyone, we're on the back side of the night flat top door. I'm going to show you guys how the glass opens. Twist the knobs, flick it open. Glass opens up. For easy cleaning of the scroll work, easy cleaning of glass. On custom orders, you're also available. We can also add a screen to the doors, so you can have a breeze if you like. Again, the same design of the kick plate in the front is duplicated in the back. Awesome door. Again, this is what the textured glass looks like. I mean, that's right up to it, but the farther away you get, the less visibility there is. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677.